This 2015 Forest River Sunseeker 317 ODS is a Class C RV. It is located in Souderton, Pennsylvania, 18964 and is offered for sale by Indian Valley Camping Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 32 feet 3 inches in length and features sleeps 11, external shower, stovetop burner, refrigerator, smoke detector, skylight, microwave, slide-out, spare tire kit, oven, awning, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. This 2015 Forest River Sunseeker 3170DS is built on a Ford E450 chassis and is powered by a Triton engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.